prepare to embark on an extraordinary journey into the mesmerizing realm of trading, a world where financial dreams take flight and fortunes are sculpted by the bold and the insightful. Today, we break the mold and okay, usher you into an exclusive experience that defies repetition. This is your 1 in a million entry into the trading community where every moment promises fresh insights, electrifying opportunities, and a touch of a magic that you won't find anywhere else. So fasten your butt cheeks and get ready to witness trading like never before. Welcome to the ultimate, unforgettable trading adventure of MTS Trades. Now, let's get to the business, boys. What happened today on Tuesday, the 5th of September 2023? Now, we are, as usual, we mark the sessions out. Okay. Asia, London, then the New York Stock Exchange, and then the index market. So we did not end up taking this because there was a news coming in, and I wasn't quite confident about it because the price action was pretty choppy. Okay, and to back my statement up is this price action. You can see what's gold doing. So pretty much we ended up like scanning all the market. Okay, so we can see in US 30 Dow Jones, we can see the Asia had a dump into the London and opening, and the London swept the Asia highs and into the New York took the London highs. After that, we were just waiting for the index market to open, and then we have the swept of the lows of London, and we kept dumping, but it took ages. Right. Meanwhile, it was happening. We went into, so these are the pairs just added. After that, we checked the US, like NASDAQ, we checked it, and this shit was just choppy as well. Look at these wicks. It's untradeable for us, and it was consolidating during that time on the lower time frame as well. So, coming back to the US 30 Dow Jones, if we come down from the high time frame to the lower time frame, it was bearish on the high daily. On 4 hour it was bearish, an hourly it was bearish, 15 minutes it was bearish overall as well. So let's go to the NASDAQ. On the daily, we were like bullish, 4 hour, we're just consolidating, but overall in the uptrend, bullish. Hourly, we are still in the uptrend, right? Even though it's consolidating right in this range, but still in the making higher highs, higher lows. And coming to the 15-minute, you guys can see we in the US 100 as well, in the NASDAQ Asia session, they opened. We went to sweep the yesterday's low, okay, and then the London session opened. London swept the previous lows. The New York Stock opened, market opened. Then we swept the London and the Asia lows over here. But because of the price action was pretty choppy, we did not catch this one either. Now, we went into the SPX. We're scanning it, obviously. Marked the session as well. So Asia session opened, market rallied down. Okay, London opened, dumped, and we swept yesterday's low. Okay, then went into the New York open. New York swept the London and the Asia highs. After that was choppy, so we did not even take this one. The gold, I fucking hate it. You guys can see on this one as well on the daily. If we go into that one, it's bearish. Okay, no, it's actually bullish. Yeah, it's bullish in the uptrend. 4 hour, we're bearish. Hourly, we are still bearish. 15 minutes. Right, on 50 minutes, it's pretty much like, bearish as well. So what happened today was, boys, there was a news, okay, and news was about, I think, USD, and I don't know what it was, but it was news, right, right after the index market opened, around 3, which was, I think, 13, right, 13, 14, 15, around 15, so yeah, that's why the market just slowed down. Then we are going to check the dollar index. So dollar as usual, day open, we were rallying up and we broke the, you know, all highs of the previous sessions and still was pumping. Now, euro overall, let's have a look on EU. So, by the way, if you're wondering what are these orange lines I'm marking, I'm just marking the previous high liquidity that has been swept and the previous low liquidity closest to the price action. Okay. So overall, EU is dumping, bearish. Overall, 4 hour is bearish as well. 15 minutes for the day. It was bearish as well. So price action, it was, as you can see, it was pretty bad as well. So UJ, obviously, it kept trailing. Overall, it's bullish. It's just the inverse. It's just a copy of the dollar index, right? And then let's look on the GU. We'll look on the GU as well. Oh, what did I just do? What the fuck did I just do? Sorry about that, boys. I tried to reset it. So on this as well, on daily, we're bearish on GU. 4 hour, we are still bearish, making lower highs. Hourly is still the same. 15 minute, right? We're still in the range. So GU market opened in the Asia session. We broke the previous lows, okay. And then London Stock Exchange opened. We still went down, didn't break the Asian highs. The New York market opened, we broke the London highs. Then the index market opened and we ended up breaking the London and almost like, touching the London. We broke New York session highs and then almost like, broke the London. We just tapped that liquidity and it's still consolidating. We're coming to the GJ here, what we are doing, boys. So this is where the whole focus, you have to keep like whatever I said in the past, for the past 7 minutes. Don't mind that. It was just an overview of what I was doing for all day today around like when I open the charts around 10 in the morning. So let's come into this. As usual, we mark the previous liquidity that hasn't been swept on the daily, and then the closest one over here. So we're bullish on daily, right? And then on 4 hour, GJ is bullish. Hourly, hourly it's bullish. 30 minutes bullish. 15 minutes. Overall, if you ask any trader, he'll say bullish. So you'll ask, why on earth did MTS took a fucking short and called it a death fish? So it's pretty simple, boys. The whole market was choppy and I was looking for an opportunity because when things goes south, right? If there's like, if there's a rain on the one part of the earth, right? There's always sunshine on the other part of the earth, and there's like some fucking dark dead end on the other end. So I was looking for a sunshine, and this was the ray of hope. I looked and I found the opportunity. So I'll tell you why I took this trade. I'm still holding with my community members in the Discord. So as you guys can see here, so these are the next sessions I marked already because we're into Asia session right now. As I'm recording, it's quarter past, actually 12 past 12 at midnight of 6th of September 2023. Now, so the Asia session opened, we rallied up and then went into the London session. London session, we almost tapped the previous liquidities, okay. Now, when the New York market opened, we swept the London highs and we swept the Asian highs, right. So right after, I think over here, we took the trade. It was, I think, right after the news because I kept like, waiting to see. I kept scanning for like an hour and a half, even after the news, because news was at 10. No, not at 10, sorry. News was at around 3 o'clock today. It was 14, 15, 16, which was at 16, according to 24-hour clock. So the reason I took this trade was because there was a lot of GBP news today, and on daily it's been railing a lot. So I saw the liquidity, okay, the nearest liquidity after the market opened. I mean, if you ask logically, right? If you ask me, being a logical trader, I would have taken a long, and we would have made like quick bucks, boys. If you guys look at this, it was a quick like 0.29% profit. We could have all like, hit like 2 to 3 TPs on these two liquidities. But the whole point is what? It's just a fucking fake out. Like there is something you learn over time by staying on board with me, that there are fake outs and there is a logical thinking, and you need to look at the market like that. Okay. And I'm 110% sure all our TPs are gonna hit. Okay. But it's all about patience and looking at the market like an institute, okay? Not like a fucking retail trader and blowing your fucking money out, okay? Now, coming to the business, why I took the trade. Like I explained, sessions went out, news blown up, market was running. I entered off of this candle right here because I see the wick out. Okay, that was a liquidity grab, and I thought, okay, here comes a reversal because there's no way on Tuesday, right? And the day's about to end. The GJ is gonna fucking really the fuck up. Okay, up into the highest, break the 4 hour OP. Okay, and then the daily, we're gonna touch the daily and just sit in there. No, 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 no. That's my brain did not fucking consume that fucking bullshit. Okay, I didn't buy that. I didn't like, I didn't buy that shit. So what my brain said, okay, what's logical right now is that we're gonna have a fake out, which we can see right here. Okay, I had a drawdown of like $1,300. Okay, and I adjusted stop loss during the day. I'll show you the Discord. Meanwhile, I was updating all this, boys. That when the market would like took this high right here, okay, I adjusted the stop loss because this market is a cock, and especially the brokers, okay, of the prop firms. What these motherfuckers do, if the it's not the slippage, boys. I'm telling you, it's not this fucking slippage. It's the prop firm who does it on purpose, and that's the only reason many like I won't name the prop firm, but the recent prop firm we had got busted because of this bullshit. Okay, so you can see here, right? This is the liquidity index. Okay, that's a 4 hour OB, and then that's the daily liquidity sitting right here. So my fear was, because that's what happened, that's the only reason I lose trades. Like I have the really good RR, like 1.5 right here marked out. So what normally happens is like the market goes up into the OB, okay, whatever there is the liquidity sitting, and then the daily it touches that motherfucker, not even moving an inch, boys, not even moving 0.00001 pip. This motherfucker just make a reversal and hit all my TPs, and that's what happened 100% of the time. And believe it or not, boys, when this trade is gonna be successful, I'm gonna make sure that we don't actually get caught up in this kind of bullshit ever again, because I know how this market plays out, and I hate holding on the trades. We're not a fucking swing trader. We are day traders, and we're meant to be out. Like I should have taken a loss right here with the community, or even came out at break even when the market was jumping right here. But I believed in my balls. I took a business decision. I stood by it with my community members. Okay, so now Asia session kick in. I believe that it's going to consolidate, hit our 1 TP, and after that, who gives a fuck where it goes? Okay, but I do believe that it's going to sweep like at least London lows. Okay, right here, actually Asian lows here. Okay, so that was the overview of it, boys, and also there's a quick update about the watch list. So I'm going to stop trading. This is the least option of mine. Okay, this is my least priority now on going to these shit coins. Okay, fiat pairs, and especially gold, because you guys can see, boys, this is actually cancerous. Like, to watch this, imagine you're a gold trader and fucking having this price action for the day. Okay, fuck these sessions because this is not our priority. We don't trade that. But think about this, yeah? What the fuck are you gonna do? Okay, that's the whole point. So I'm not gonna trade these shit coins. So what I'm gonna trade, I'm just gonna trade our. This could have been a beautiful setup, but boys, believe it or not, like this the whole point of making these OBs right here. This was a 15-minute. This was a, I think, 5-minute I made. Yeah, but nonetheless, I was waiting for a tap into one of these OBs, and I could have went short, but the thing is, price actually was straight, so I didn't take it. I didn't buy it. So, boys, now on, we're gonna trade these indices. Okay, look at this. This is so beautiful, boys. This is so fucking beautiful. Okay, so these are our main priority and are gonna be on my radar now on, and you'll see how we're rolling. Okay, so I'm just gonna wrap up. It's already 15 minutes long, so thank you guys for watching my video and staying updated. I know whoever you are, I know you're gonna come to this video in the near future. So just want to let you know that I'm not changing my strategy. We're not going to change the time zone. We're not going to change the methodology. We're not going to change our fucking plan. That's the first part of being a disciplined trader. Oh, before I go, I always forget to show you what I'm doing in the Discord. Let me just have a quick switch. Give me 2 seconds there. Now I'm going to show you what I did with the trade today. Okay, just going to switch that real quick. Okay, there it is now. As you guys can see here, like I was talking about, I adjusted my stop loss. Okay, so we took entry right here at the market. Spread was pretty low, around like 10 or 12. So we aped in that market. Some of the community members aped in late because they weren't sitting in the Discord. They keep bouncing in and out. Probably they were busy because I was live for quite a long time. So this was the TPs, and that's how I sent in the Discord. After that, I started Legendary GJ playing out at like what 13, 14, 15, 16 at around 4, like 4:30, because I was up like I was streaming for like 5 straight hours. And after that, I sent a notification as well. Then I'm adjusting my stop loss, okay? Because I knew that this motherfucker is gonna weak out. That's what I exactly said in the Discord by notifying. Then I showed them that I'm down, like having a drawdown of $500 right now. So that's it, boys. And yeah, so I'm just going to wrap it up now. Okay, so just gonna do a summary of the this video, boys. That now on, I'll be the only index trader that's going to be so much profitable than the entire forex trade, like all the forex traders out there. I'm not saying I'm going to be the elite. I'm going to be the OG. I'm going to be the G. I'm going to be a W guy for you guys to look up to. But I'm going to teach you guys. I'm going to show you what I see. Okay, you're going to see what I see. You're going to eat what I eat, okay, out of the markets. Boys, it's pretty simple. You don't need to. Okay, I'll tell you one more thing, okay? You've never heard this code, and it's a wisdom from my end. The more you know, okay, the more illiterate you become. Hear me out, okay? The more you gain knowledge, the more illiterate you become. And you must be thinking, now, what the fuck is he bluffing about? Let me tell you something. Now, think about this, yeah? You are a perfect trader. You've read books. You've read fucking indicators. You've read all the tools. You read fucking Bollinger Bands. You read fucking what it is, boys. One sec, I'll show you what I'm on about. You read all these motherfucking tools. You know what to do with this shit, right? Crab and fucking making the 60% or whatever, right? At the end of the day, you're frying your fucking machinery. There's one brain you have, and all you have to do is fucking control and just like give ease to that fucking one unit of your body, boys. Don't overcomplicate your fucking life, okay? By knowing so much knowledge and looking here and there, okay? The more you know, the more illiterate you become. The less you know, the more wiser you become. And I know you must be laughing or giggling right now or chirping inside your fucking head. But believe it or not, right after a quarter from now, after watching and hearing this video, you realize that MTS trade was actually right. Okay? So over the period of time, I'll be just posting the content out like this, and you learn a lot. I'm not gonna post a boot camp. I'm not gonna post like a complete a course of videos and selling that. I'll be posting a theory of what I'm saying right now in written words so that you can read, consume, take notes, and stay disciplined. Understood? Understood. Okay. Now, back to the business. Giving you one last look to it. Here we are, boys. We went up how much in drawdown? We went up around 0.3% of our position, okay, in the drawdown. And now we're almost close to our entry points. Okay, I do believe that we're gonna sweep these liquidities today. It's a swing trade for me now. So just wrapping it up, boys. All right. Thanks for watching MTS Trades. I'll see you guys in the next video with the update. Yeah, also, I forgot to tell you something. Make sure you check the link and join the Discord community and follow me on the X. Take care. Have a good evening, night, morning, wherever you guys are residing. Bye bye.